We can chill, we can smoke. Me and you, all alone. Anything that you want, I know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today, as you can see by the title, I am doing a Sephora haul. This is my first haul of 2022. So I'm super excited to show you guys what new products that I picked up, what that I ordered. A lot of makeup is new, well, new to me. Anyway, so a few of these are black owned brands as well, so I'm super excited to give those a try. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just start from grabbing stuff from the top. So first is this makeup brush cleaner that I've been eyeing. So I did get the small travel size. This is the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. I've been hearing so many good things about this product and I'm super excited to try it myself. Now the technique that I use to clean my brushes works for me, but you know, just want to try some different things just to see if it works or if it doesn't. So I'm all about trying new things, and this just may be better for me. So I like that I picked this up. Next is the Touchland Velvet Peach Power Mist. This is hand sanitizer, and I was watching one of my favorite people to watch on YouTube because she tries a lot of different new makeup, and she had this in one of her vlogs, and I was like, oh, I didn't even know that they sell like hand sanitizer anyway at Sephora. So I definitely want to give this a try. They had a few other different I'm gonna say fragrances, but I love anything peach, so I definitely went with this one. And this was about $9. So we're going to try it out. Ooh, it smells delicious. It really smells like peach. It smells like that. Have y'all ever had or seen that them peach candies? They round and look like they're gummies. This is exactly what this smells like. This smells so good. And this is the Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizer. Okay guys, so next is the Fresh Sugar Peach Hydrating Lip Balm. I've definitely been needing a new lip balm. Now I do like the, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, Laneige, whatever this is called. I think it's called Laneige. I may be pronouncing the name incorrectly, but I really love this stuff. But I wanted to try something different, so I went with this one. Of course they have other different fragrances, and of course I went with peach again. This for $18. I mean, you would think the tube would be a little thicker, but again, I just wanted to try it. Can't really smell anything, and I'm thinking it's because I just sprayed the hand sanitizer on. But if you guys have this, let me know in the comments below if you liked it, or which other fragrance or flavor I should try next. Alright, so I got this McGrath Lab Mini Smoky Eye Duo. Now we're just gonna get the mascara by itself, so I just went ahead and was like, well, why not get the duo? You get, I mean, for the same amount of price, you get two products, and I definitely wanted to try this out. McGrath is a black-owned business, so you get the so you get the Extreme Black Mini Dark Star Mascara, and you get the Extreme Black Mini Permagel Ultra Glide eye pencil. So I do love the packaging with the little flakes and everything in it. Try to make sure I don't spill none of this on the floor. This is what they both look like. I love the packaging. I love the gold. I love the gold against the black. It's so flattering and eye-catching. This is really, 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 really pretty, guys. And this is what the wand looks like. And this is what the pencil looks like. And also, since we're on Pat McGrath, I did get the concealer. This is weightless, full coverage, high performance, runway tested, mother approved concealer. I am in the shade, well, I got the shade M18. And this is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer. So and this is the concealer out of this package. So I can't really use this product in a video, which most likely I'm gonna do, because most times do that when I buy new products. I do like to do a video using them. Alright guys, so next I did get another NARS concealer. I just got the mini, and I'm in the shade, well, I got the shade Biscuit. Usually I get Caramel, but I decided to go a shade lighter. So I got Biscuit, which is medium dark 1. And I bought the mini because I just wanted to try the color. I'm fine with the caramel, but I just want something to help me just brighten up my under eyes. So I went ahead and got the next shade up. So next, I did get the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat Palette. I just love the warm tones in this palette. I've been actually looking at this palette for quite some time now. So I'm excited that I finally just went ahead and bought the mini one. Alright guys, so this is the Urban Decay Petite Heat Palette. And these are the shades here. So again, like, I definitely love these warm tones in here. So I really can't wait to try this palette out. And it's so cute because this is just perfect for travel, to throw up in your purse, to just, you know, you want to touch up your eyes later in the day. Like, this is perfect and I love it. And just the packaging, the packaging itself is just so pretty. This is so cute. So I did get this was a add-on. I just wanted to try it. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I got the shade Macao. I just wanted to try this foundation. So hopefully I like it because I do love the NARS Soft Matte. I'm also in the shade Macao as well, so that's why I just picked up Macao in this one. So hopefully it works out for me. I feel like they give you enough to at least do a whole face, or maybe 2. That's what it looks like, but we're definitely going to try it out in a later video. Alright guys, so the last little bit in this box come from LYS Love Yourself. This is another black owned clean, this is one of the first clean, or is the first clean makeup brand at Sephora. And again, this is black. This is a black owned business, so this is perfect for the month of February, even though we should be supporting each other throughout the year. But I definitely want to try these products, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it out all on the table. All right, guys, so first up, I did get the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. And all of their packaging has the triangle effect. If you guys didn't know. But I'm going to just go ahead and bust it open, please. And this is what it looks like. It also has a triangular top. Now, I'm not going to try it because I do already have something on my lips, but I just love the shape of the packaging. I did get the foundation. Now, I tried my best to get my shade, but I did pick up DG3. In like this nice little frosty container with the rose gold cap, and I love that it has a pump. I love a pump. I definitely like to be able to control how much I use, how much I put out, so this is definitely a plus for me. But yeah, again, I got the shade DG3, and I think that's Deep Golden 3, so hopefully I did end up picking the right shade. So next I got the No Limits Matte Bronzer, and I got the shade Courage, which is tan. I love how I got a little message right here, and it says confidence without compromise. That's super cute. So this is the bronzer. This is the packaging. And this is what the bronzer looks like. And I think that'll be a good shade. Because I feel like the one that was next to this one was a little too dark. And I did get a blush. I was torn because they have so many pretty cute blushes. But I ended up going with the shade Inspire. This is so cute. This is super cute, and I just love the packaging. I'm so in love with it. As you can tell, this one is more of a matte. You can tell the difference in the packaging, but I so love it. And lastly, I did get a highlighter. Now, I was unsure about getting, I didn't even think to get the setting powder. That just, woo, went over my head. But as far as the primer, I saw mixed reviews, to be honest with you, with the primer. But I think I would probably just, that's why I didn't get it, because I saw too many mixed reviews. So that's probably why I didn't pick it up for the most part. But this is the highlighter, and I got the shade Brave. This is their pressed highlight powder. And let me just, look how gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes, highlighter. Let me just, I love it. Ooh. Okay, LYS. You gonna definitely make me love myself after using these products. This is super cute, you guys. So pretty much that's all the newest products that I picked up from Sephora. If you guys have tried any of this, if you guys want to try any of this, let me know in the comments below. If you guys want me to try any other products from Sephora, definitely let me know in the comments below. Guys, thank you for tuning into this video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.